Get rid of tartar and black using only 3 natural ingredients. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 'Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to brush your teeth with this mixture. Brush it for 2 minutes. Then wash your teeth with a cold water. And for best results, use this recipe twice a week. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback in comments.